So, firstly, to all the media friends, thank you once again. You come every month, every week to support AHA, despite the pandemic. So, thank you so much. And this is on behalf of the entire team, AHA and Alu Arvind sir and Ram, both of our promoters. Arvind sir would have loved to come, but we're trying to get him not to come out that often, though he's not happy about it. So this is a special project, so I won't talk about AHA much today. This project is special in so many ways. It symbolizes AHA, so I thought we'll talk a little bit about it. I think Nandini referred to it, but this is like that perfect storm, right? It wasn't easy, but it just came together. And it came together so fast. I thought this show was tricky to begin with, right, Pawan? This is the first show where all episodes are ready, rendered. So here's the first announcement. After a long time, we've done that once. So though the show is supposed to launch at midnight between Thursday and Friday, it takes time. You have to get into the loop. You have to get in the head of these two characters. So normally on AHA, all of our web series, we keep the first episode free for people to see it. And we saw all the 8 episodes. And yes, it's a web series. Everybody was talking about a film, but this is a web series we are very, very proud of. All the 8 episodes are riveting. But it takes some time getting into it. And through all of you, I want to convey this message to all our viewers all across the world, that we want you to watch this. And to make it easier for you to watch, for the first time, we are making our first 3 episodes free, so that you get into the world of Kudi Edmaite, and then I don't think you will get out of the world. That's how confident we are of this product. I remember this is one of the scripts that had the fastest approval. So Ram Vignesh is not here, but thank you Ram and Samir Bharatram who got it to us earlier. And I think Nandini approved it in one go. Arvind sir said, if Nandini is okay, I'm not going to read it because I'm not good with shows that go back and forth in time. All of you, great team. I think some of the credit that Amla was giving, it's one of the smoothest shoots we have had, and that's because of you guys. Not a single case, and everything went well. So thank you so much. Then was Pawan. With Pawan, it's always an interesting start, but after that, I haven't seen a more technically perfect show ever. At least in India. At least in India, I can say that, and all of you there, I know that is the core team and the new team from here. So technically, I haven't seen a better show in India in a long, long time, and I don't want to compare ourselves to some of the Hindi shows, but I think we are right up there. And I think that means a lot for all of us at AHA. So I wanted to thank you and the producers for giving us exactly what you promised. And yes, we didn't have 150 days to shoot it. So that's incredible. And you still delivered it before time. So Pawan and team, you guys should be very, very proud. It's a fantastic show. Technically not a flaw. Yes, some people will like it, some will not. But this is what we are here to do. We don't compete with films. I love all the films that we do here and everywhere else. But I think in the world of web series, if we don't take punts like this, and if we don't take the risks of stories like this, then we're not taking content and storytelling forward. And that is why we are so privileged to have somebody like Nandini right inside the heart of AHA, pushing us to do things like this. But it couldn't have happened without both of you. Rahul, I happened to, the first time I went to that set was a day which had 2 important shots, both are in the trailer. So the first shot is, Amla is in blood, and the number of takes will come to that. And the second shot that day was Rahul taking his bike and banging into the Jeep. And Rahul just kept doing it because Pawan didn't have that straight expression, right, that he's happy about. Rahul banged his bike with all the precautions that were being taken, at least 10 times into the Jeep, and every time he had to fall. And every time he would get up, and he would have to smile. I was like, what is this guy? Oh yes, and the guy who was calling the shots for the action sequences was Rahul's father, who would not let go, neither is Pawan letting go. And I was like, okay, I should disappear from this set because something's going to happen on this set. So what an incredibly committed guy you are. It is, I think what Pawan said, I fully echo. And then you know what, guys, if we have to take a show like this, a story which is special but different, it needs to travel, right? There's no point us doing the show for ourselves. And that's when Nandini said, you know, what about Amla Paul? I said, I just seen Adai and I love it, but will she do it? And it was, I mean, whatever conversations they had, but thank you so much, because if you didn't agree to this, I don't think the millions of people would have sampled it. And because of you, they'll all see it. And Abla, thank you so much to you and your entire team. Thank you. So everybody here, just want to tell you that this is a special show, and I would love for you guys to watch it. And it's starting streaming at 8 p.m. tomorrow, not day after. 8 episodes, riveting, and not because it's on AHA. This is one of the best content that we have put forward for the Indian and the international audience. So looking forward to that. And like always, thank you for coming. Team AHA, incredible job. You do the entire AHA pitch. That's why I didn't talk about the numbers today, because you're doing the AHA pitch better than me now.